Seeing a red light on your Spectrum router can be stressful, but it's actually your router's way of telling you what's wrong. In this guide, I'll explain exactly what the red light means and how to fix it fast. A solid red light on a Spectrum router usually means there's no internet connection, often caused by a firmware issue or a problem reaching Spectrum's network. A blinking red light means the router is trying but failing to connect. Start by checking for a Spectrum outage. Use the My Spectrum app or Spectrum's website to see if service is down in your area. Many red light issues are caused by outages, not your equipment. Next, do a proper power cycle. Unplug both the modem and router. Wait a full 60 seconds. Plug the modem back in first and wait until its lights stabilize, then plug in the router. This step alone fixes most red light problems. Now inspect all cables. Check the coaxial cable from the wall to the modem, the Ethernet cable from modem to router, and the power cords. Make sure everything is firmly connected and not damaged. Then check your modem status. Look for a solid blue or green online light. If the modem isn't online, the router cannot connect, so the modem must be fixed first. If the red light remains, try bypassing the router by connecting a device directly to the modem. This helps determine whether the issue is the router or Spectrum service. Overheating, too many connected devices, or outdated firmware can also cause red light issues. A factory reset should only be used as a last resort. If none of this works, contact Spectrum support for diagnostics or equipment replacement.